Hello, welcome to my presentation of my GUI project. For my GUI project I made a simple version of tic-tac-toe. So the goal of the project was to make a Visual Basic program that runs a version of tic-tac-toe. The user will be, whoever wants to play it, and there will be an AI that I made that will go against you. And the other requirement was to have a sort of a main menu that leads into the game. So, like I said, who's the program for? It's for anybody who really wants to play the game. It can be kids, adults, elderly. It's just to have fun. What are the risks? It's not really any risk since it's a free program that I made, but if this were a high-end game, then it'd be for customers, and then the risk would be having a finished product so that sales are good and people give you good reviews. So the scope of the project was to make a simple version of the tic-tac-toe, and problems that I thought I would run in was the AI. And just like I said, the obstacles I faced was making the AI, and I found out that I made a lot of if statements in the program, which made seeing what was wrong really hard to do. Alright, so I will now show you the program. Here it is. So, welcome tic-tac-toe. I'll show you the other stuff before we get into the game. So you click about, and it's a simple, it tells you what it does and how to play it. And then if you click exit, it closes the program. So let's go back into it. So you click start, and it pulls up this screen where it has 9 boxes where you will have that's your board. And then you want to click start, and then the AI starts going. And so then you go, AI goes, then you go, AI goes. See, and I lose. The AI had 3 zeros in a row, and so I lose. And if you wanted to start over, you click reset, and so you can just click start again. Okay, I should have said I won right there, but yeah. Huh, that's interesting. Let's try that again. Anyways, it works most of the time. Alright, so to look at the code, I first off made this, which is, a simple label, 3 buttons, and that's pretty easy. That's the accept, that's the exit, and then the code for that is this, this pulls up the new form that I made, and then this is what happens when you click start, about, and exit. So then this is just a series of buttons, 12 buttons total. These are self-explanatory. These are just empty buttons with no text in it, because it'll later be replaced by X's and O's. Oh, wrong way. Alright, so to start from the top, have your basic commenting that what happens when you click start, and then this is our thing. Alright, sorry. Alright, so this is the main code. So this is your commenting. This is global variables that I used. You'll see it throughout the code. That's just something. That's a random function I made that I'll use later on for the AI just finds a random spot that's open and then fills it. It doesn't determine what's the best move yet. I wanted to do that later on, but I didn't get the chance to do that yet. So then this determines whose turn it is. So like when you first click it, I'll set the text to X, and then it'll increment this, and then it's a series of if statements. So like if this number is above 0, then it's the computer's turn, and then yeah. So this is when the AI's turn is going. Since the AI doesn't technically click the button, it just sets the button to disabled so that it can't be clicked again. So that's all that this does for every single button. And then this determines what move the AI will go through after your turn. So it checks all the buttons to see what's available, and then whatever random number appears, which is 1 through 9, then it will fill that spot with a 0. And it's just a series of if statements through the case. And then this is the play button. So this is what sets it sets the buttons to disabled for the AI. And then this is your win conditions. So if these conditions are met, then the opponent wins, which means the user loses. And if these conditions are met, then the user wins and the opponent loses. And then this is when you click the reset button, it just resets everything. And that's it. Yeah, it's not really a hard program. It's just it's finicky. Yeah. All right. Thank you for listening. I don't remember how to close the thing. How do I stop it?